Power Track Set Installation Guide. Determine the installation position and draw parallel lines. Then find the midpoint between the lines to align the center for mounting the track plate. Line the top edge with the reference line and mark the mounting plate's position accordingly. Drill holes for the tocks and screws based on the marked positions. Secure the mounting plates using screws. Carefully insert the wire into the terminal block, ensuring the correct stripping length. Tighten the screws securely to ensure a reliable electrical connection. Position the cable on both sides of the track slot for efficient cable management. Align and secure the fastener with the track bar to complete the installation. When using an adapter, rotate it 180 degrees horizontally without tilting, then secure it firmly in place before turning it on. For a single adapter, ensure its total power output does not exceed its specified maximum limit. When using multiple power adapters on the track bar, ensure their total combined power does not exceed the track bar's maximum capacity. Choose safety. Choose ROYU. ROYU, the electrical specialist.